What's the meaning of contrariwise? Contrariwise. Contrariwise.
Contrariwise. Contrariwise. Contrariwise is an adverb that means in contrast or on the other hand. It is often used to introduce a contrasting point of view or to express a disagreement with what has been said previously. For instance, if someone says, "I think it's too late to start a new project," another person may respond with, contrariwise, "I believe it's never too late to begin something new." Overall, contrariwise is a useful word when you want to express a different perspective or argue against a previous statement. It can add nuance to a conversation and help build a more complex understanding of a topic.